Good afternoon, friends. Myself, Pawan Jaiswal from MarketSmith India, and today is 3rd June, Tuesday. Market was closed on negative note. It has breached 21-day moving average with elevated number of distribution day, and now it is trending with little bit of negative bias in sideways consolidation. So in this video, we are going to discuss how market is placed currently, technically as per O'Neill methodology, and what we can expect in coming days, not only in Nifty 50, but other major sectoral indices like Bank Nifty or IT or FMCG or like that. So first, you can see this particular presentation in front of you. That is a O'Neill methodology of market direction. So you can see here that majority of the indices, including benchmark index and Nifty 50 and Sensex, either it is in uptrend under pressure or in confirmed trend. Means no index is trending in clear-cut downtrend. So that shows that the current undertone in the market is bullish, but yes, from the last almost 3 weeks, market is in consolidation zone. Benchmark index Nifty 50 and Sensex both are in consolidation zone, and not only Bank Nifty or Sensex. Even if you see the benchmark in other major sectoral indices like Bank Nifty or IT or auto or energy, almost all I can say it is in either in consolidation zone, or I can say it is not showing that kind of strong move which which helped to pull up Nifty further from current level. Only one index I can see, that is a reality index, is showing clear cut resilience in this current market scenario. But again, this does not have that much impact or weightage in the Bank Nifty 50, which can pull up the Nifty. So let's move on the chart to discuss how this Nifty is placed. So see, this is the Nifty 50 chart in front of you. You can see from the last almost 3 weeks here. If I this this range, this range from the last almost 3 week, it is in consolidation zone, I can say. And because of this consolidation zone, there is some loss of momentum also. And now in today's trading session, that is Tuesday, it has breached decisively this 21-day moving average, you can see here, and closed below it. Even yesterday also it breached it, but at the time of closing it was closed around that or closed above that. But today it has decisively breached in, along with elevated number of distribution day as per O'Neill methodology. Now there are total 9 distribution day including today. So because of that reason, that breaching 21 DMA, elevated number of distribution day, today we have downgraded the market from confirmed uptrend to uptrend under pressure. And now we will wait in coming days to cross this recent high, that is 25 100 1020, to turn more bullish or to turn positive from current level as per O'Neill methodology. Apart from, if I talk about technical perspective, so from technical perspective, if you see here in this particular range, when market has breached this upward sloping trend line, and then there was a gap down opening happened in this particular range, that was happened in last year October month, 2024. So what we can say, this particular area, if I throw like a simple horizontal line here, that this particular area is a critical supply zone. And because of this supply zone, if you see that here in this range, Nifty was consolidated for a few days, and then there was a fall happened, this fall happened, and that fall happened, and it was traded in negative trajectory only for a few months, I can say. So because of this, I can say it is in the supply zone, and because of that, unless and until it will not cross that level, at least 25,200, that from the last few days we are continuously mentioning this level that Nifty must cross and all over 25,200 to turn bullish. And now it is not crossing, so I can say it is in sideways. And in sideways, now if I talk about immediate support, so immediate support is placed around 24,500, 24,400 zone. Suppose it will breach that level also in coming days, then we can expect in a few days that 24,000, which 24,000, is a critical zone, or I can say strong support zone. Why 24,000? 24,000 is the placement of 200 DMA. Why 23,800? Because this was the pivot line from the last two. So that is the level I can say 24,000 to 23,800 is a critical support area in coming days if it will breach 24,400. So first immediate support 24,400. If it will breach, then we can expect 23,800, and then we will see how things will further develop in coming days. Otherwise, currently it is trending in sideways, and most probably it will remain traded in sideways unless and until it will not cross at least 25,200. But yes, the day it will cross 25,200, so we can expect that it is at least it is ready to move toward 25,700, 25,800 zone. Now question is that whether is it ready to move? So obviously it is very difficult answer question to answer at current time, because currently it is in sideways. Let's wait and watch. Just follow the cautious approach for time being. I'm not saying that structurally Nifty is in bearish trend, but yes, even after doing longer time frame analysis, I have drawn a conclusion that maybe by Diwali or by end of this calendar year, Nifty may register another new all-time high beyond 26,000. That is possibilities is also there, apart on the basis of whatever data available in front of us. But let's see. At least from time being, it must cross and hold over 25,200 to turn bullish in coming days. Apart from this Nifty 50, if I talk about Bank Nifty, then see Bank Nifty from the last few trading sessions, or I can say last almost 3 to 4 week trading session, it is trending in this range, if you see, and forming like bullish pin and pattern. But from the last few days we are continuously writing in our report that 56,000 is a key level to watch. Unless and until it will not cross and hold above 56,000, it will remain traded in this sideways zone only, or in this pattern. On now it is, I can say that one kind of ascending triangle pattern. So let's see how things will develop in coming days. If we talk about today's trading session only on Tuesday, that it opened above 56,000 but failed to hold above 56,000 and now closed below it. So now again it is a confirmation that 56,000 is a level to watch. The day it will cross 56,000 and hold above that, then we can say that a fresh breakout is happening in this outperforming sector, that is Bank Nifty or financial, and maybe that pull this Bank Nifty toward 57,500, 58,000. And further, this breakout in Bank Nifty will help Nifty as well, because it has a highest weightage in Nifty 50. So because of this its weightage, it will help to pull Nifty toward 25,200 beyond as well. But yes, there is still there is no confirmation. Currently, it is in this upward ascending triangle pattern or a pennant pattern, I can say. So let's wait and watch for 56,000 breakout. The day it will give breakout, then only we will consider legitimate, or I can say the sustainable breakout. Otherwise, the way it is trending in sideways, most probably it will remain in sideways only. But wait and watch. Let's see how things will develop. And once breakout will happen in this Nifty 50, so maybe that will help. Sorry, Bank Nifty. that will help to boost Nifty 50 sentiment as well. And in such case, it may be ready to move beyond 25,200. So both are parallel to each other, or I can say complementary to each other. If a good breakout will happen in that Nifty 50, Bank Nifty, then obviously it will boost sentiment of Bank Nifty. Apart from that, if I talk about not only in Bank Nifty, but if you see major indices like FMCG index or energy index or pharma index or auto index, almost all major sectoral indices are trending in sideways only for time being. And because of that, I can say that market is looking for some trigger in the market. Now, next trigger is this RBI policy that is due in this month only. So let's see how that RBI on RBI front, and then this US tariff and everything, that is the obviously going concern, because we cannot we cannot expect a person who is sitting currently at that chair, that president of USA. He is very dramatic kind of person, I can say, that he changes his statements and behavior, stance, or way of thinking about trade and globe. So don't know what will do. So it that uncertainty is going to be there. We cannot avoid. We have to be live with it. We cannot avoid it, obviously, because it is not in our hand. But whatever data available in front of us, this is the placement at least. So majority of the market in sideways. Undertone in overall market, including benchmark index, is still bullish. Bank Nifty is clearly outperforming for the past few months, and still it is in outperforming position. But from here, it must cross and hold above 56,000 to turn more bullish in coming days. And if it will happen, then it will pull the sentiment in Nifty as well, and then followed by other sectors as well. So let's see how things will develop in coming days. So that's it for now in this video. Stay tuned with us to know more about this market placement in coming videos. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.